Building a healthy environment is key to any kind of human development. Our project is an initiative taken towards building a sustainable environment. Hello, this is Sushma. I am finally a mechanical student from Raghu Engineering College, and I am here to explain you guys about our project, which is biodegradable products made out of paddy stubble, which is an alternative to single-usage plastic. The problem statement is increasing hazards due to paddy stubble burning and single-usage plastic in our country. As we all know, India is the second largest producer of paddy after China in the world. There is huge amount of paddy waste that is being produced, and most of it is being burnt, causing massive air pollution and health hazards. The reason behind this is presence of high amount of silica, which makes it unsuitable for animal feed or any kind of pulp industries or paper industries. There are chemicals like ammonia and urea which can be used for treating paddy grass, but these processes are harmful to human beings and the environment. In our project, our team has come up with a natural and safe solvent and a cost-effective method to utilize this paddy waste. Now the processing steps. First we take the paddy stubble and chop it into smaller pieces and then wash it in water. The cleaned and chopped paddy stubble is then treated using the solvent under high pressure and temperature. In our experimental phase, we were able to do this using a pressure cooker. The treated grass is then grinded in a grinding machine, or we can use a pulping machine too to obtain pulp. The obtained pulp is then strained to remove excess water. Then the pulp is pressed against different shapes of molds, and after drying under natural sunlight for 2 to 3 days, the product is obtained. The drying part can be done using a conventional dryer. Unfortunately, due to the lockdown, we are unable to show you any prototypes, but this is the image of them. As you can see, we were able to make wide range of products like plates and cups, which are a good replacement to the plastic plates and cups, idols, sheets. We were also able to make the eco insulating panels, which has a potential to replace thermocol based insulating panels. Strength test on our eco panel. Our processing method is a zero waste generation method. As we can see, the solution obtained during the process has a pH which is varying between 7 to 8, which is completely safe for disposal. Also, all our products are completely biodegradable. Presently, our products are partially water and oil resistant, but we are working on it to make it 100% oil and water resistant so that we are able to replace the plastic counterparts on a wider range. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying that with proper support and further developments, projects like ours will be able to replace plastic and make India plastic free. Thank you.